Okay guys, in this next problem we have a line that passes through points A, B, and C. And the first thing we're asked to do is find two ways to name this line. So the first thing I want to do here is name the line. So I need to choose 2 points. Let's just choose A and B. A and B, and put a line above those 2 letters. So that's one way to represent this line. Another way to represent this same line is to choose 2 different letters. So this time, let's say, hey, you know what? I'm going to choose a new color here. We have points B and C. Well, here's another way to represent this line. Cool. So let's just divide this, separate it some, and this time we'll look at rays, and I want to locate 4 rays. All right, so rays always have a starting point. So if I were to start at A and continue on through B, my first ray would be ray A, B. Starting at A, passing through B. Now, second point that we could start at is point B and pass through point C. So starting at B, passing through C. Another point that I could have would be starting at C, passing through B, going in the opposite direction. So starting at C, passing through B. And let's go ahead, I'm just going to put my ray over here. I'm going to put a comma just to separate them. And starting at B, passing through A. So now I've named 4 rays in this figure. I'm going to just create another divider. Okay, in this last problem, we're asked to find another way to name ray AC. So starting at A, passing through C. What would be another way to name this? Well, if I start at A and pass through C, I see that the ray passes through point B. So another way to name this would be ray AB. So remember that a ray always has a starting point, and it will continue forever. So it would continue through point B in this case, and it would pass through point C at some other time if it didn't run into another object. Cool stuff. I'll see you in the next videos.